Hey guys, so we're starting the next section here. It's arithmetic sequences. So it's honing in on a particular type of sequence. We'll learn about a different one tomorrow. So first, let's go ahead and define what an arithmetic sequence is. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence, no duh, in which each term after the first term differs from the preceding term by a constant amount. Now, it's a lot of words to just say that we are adding or subtracting. Okay? And then the difference between those consecutive terms is going to be called the common difference. So here we have a finite arithmetic sequence: 4, 9, 14, 19, 24, 29. And you'll notice we jump by 5 each time. I'm writing this all out for a reason. I'll show you in a second. Okay, so we add by 5 each time. Okay, if we have to add each time to find what our nth term is, that can be really bothersome. So here's the equation for that. The nth term, or sometimes called the general term, of the arithmetic sequence with the first term, a sub 1, and the common difference d, is a sub n equals, I'm looking at my equations here, a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our equation above. So let's look. We're looking for a sub 6 for the problem above. So a sub 1 is 4. That's our first term. We're looking for the sixth term, and our difference is 5. So if I were to simplify this, I would have 4 plus 5 times 5. And there's a reason I'm not multiplying that out of the way. So 4, that's our first term. And then I'm adding 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we already know that our sixth term is 29. So this just shows us kind of what's happening in that formula. So to get to the sixth term, we have to add to the first term 5 times. All right, here we have a general equation of an arithmetic sequence. So we want to find that general equation. And then we want to use the equation to find the ninth term. So this is part 1, and this is part 2. So you need to make sure you're reading those directions really carefully. Okay, so using the equation, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So my general equation, I want to have a sub n in my answer. I need to find what a sub 1 is, and I need to find what d is. N's going to stay. So a sub 1 and d. It tells us what a sub 1 is right here. It's 4. D is a little bit harder to find. So, it gives it to us here. I was thinking for a different problem. Yeah, so for this one, it gives us what d is. So then we just plug that in. So we have 4 plus n minus 1 times 3. So this right here is our general equation. So we answered part 1. Can you see that? Probably not. Let's see here. There we go. All right, now part 2. We need to find what the ninth term is. So we're finding a sub 9. 9 equals 4, and we're just going to use this right here. 4 plus 9 minus 1 times 3. Simplify. 4 plus 8 times 3. 24 plus 4 is 28. So 28 is our ninth term. All right. I think I have 2 more problems on the back. Just kidding. No, I don't. Top sheet of paper. Okay, so we're going to find the general term of these two arithmetic series. I had the notes for that, so I wouldn't mess it up, but we'll do it. Okay, so first I need to find the general term of the series. So using the equation, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So this is part 1, find the general term. Part 2, find that term, specific term. So I need a sub 1 and I need d. A sub 1 is given to us blatantly, it's 12. A sub 2, or d is a little bit harder to find. So we have to do, kind of write it out. So we have 12, and then our second term is 18. So we know that the jump from 12 to 18, this thing, out of the way, we are adding 6. So d is equal to 6. Plug that in. So we have a sub n equals 12 plus n minus 1 times 6. Then to find a sub 30, we just plug and chug. So we've got 12 plus 30 minus 1 times 6. I need to find that paper, so I don't have to use the calculator. All right, so we get that our answer is 186. So here's part 1 and part 2. Finally, we've got one more example. It says find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence with a sub 1 equals 8 and a sub 3 is 24. So even trickier still. We're just finding the nth term, so we only want to find a sub n, which is given to us up here. I'm not going to rewrite it. We need a sub 1 and we need d. Again, a sub 1 is given to us. It's 8. Kind of write out what we've got here. So we've got the first term and the third term. So we've got 8 and 24. We don't know what that term is, but we know we're adding the same term every time because we have an arithmetic sequence. So from here to here, I'm adding the same number. 24 and 8 have a difference of 16, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we don't have to show this every time, but this is how we would do the math to show it. So we're adding 8 each time, and so d is equal to 8. We plug this into our big equation. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times 8. There is how we find our nth term. Okay, so what time is it on here? All right, I'm going to pause the video here just in case I'm having trouble uploading it. Don't forget to watch part 2.